Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have this look that is ultimately inspired by the Christmas colors: green, red, white and gold. And I made sure to use affordable product in creating this look in case you're watching and you would like to recreate it. If you're stopping by for the first time, hi, my name is Oluwajoba. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing family. And if you end up enjoying this video or loving this look, please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section as well. All right guys, let's get started. But first, a quick cup of tea. Very refreshing. Okay, let's get to work, guys. So going in with my Pillowiz base, I'm going to use that to prep my eyelid for the eyeshadow. I'm just going to ensure that I blend everything in so that I have a very blank and seamless canvas. And then going in with this green shade that I'm showing you on my palette, I'm going to use that color on my crease as you see me do. And then going in with this black shade that I'm showing you and with this detailed brush, I'm going to just use that to deepen or darken the green shade that I initially applied. This is just to give it an extra, like an edgy feel, and to make the green color a lot darker. And I'm just going in repeatedly with the green and with the black till I get the particular shade that I want. Using my Q-tip and my wipes, I'm just using that to carve out or the shape of what I'm going for, and then going straight in with my benign clown white base. I'm going to use that to cut out my crease. And the reason why I like this particular benign is because it's quite sticky and it's white. So the fact that it's white makes all the colors that I use come out just the way that I want them to, and then the fact that it's sticky gives the eyeshadow something to stick onto. And then going straight on with this white shade from this iMagic palette. Guys, I'm using my iMagic palette for this look. I'm just going to use that white shade in front of my eyes at the inner corners. I'm using this really small detailed pencil, and then I'm using this red, really red vibrant shade from my iMagic palette as well. That's another iMagic palette. I'm just dusting that all over my eyelid to serve as the main color ish. And I just go ahead to blend in the white shade and the red shade just so that I have this seamless transition and there's no borderline anywhere. For this look, I'm using two eyeshadow palettes, and they are both from iMagic Cosmetics. Now going in with this same black shade that I showed you earlier, I'm going to use that to deepen the outer part of my eyes and also take it into the red shade just a little bit. And I'm just going to make sure that I blend in all the colors together just to have a seamless transition. Now I'm using my gel liner to just draw my eyeliner and give myself a really long wing. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going in with my Maybelline mascara. I'm just using that to bring out my eyelashes before I fix my falsies. And here I'm just fixing my falsies. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm just going to go off camera and do the other eye as well. Still on the eyes, I'm going to use this e.l.f. glitter glue. I'm just going to carve out like that line, make that line, and then go in with my glitters. This is the gold glitter. This is how I bring in the gold color. So I'm going to use this gold, and I'm going to just going to trace out that line on my crease. Now that that's done, I'm going in with my Primark Glow primer. I'm just generously putting that on my face, and using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in Mocha and my beauty blender, I'm just going to generously apply the foundation on my face. I will take my time to blend it out and make sure that it's seamless. Also using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, I'm going to be mixing these two shades together, the lighter one and the darker one. I like to apply the lighter one close to my nose, and then apply the darker one at the outer part of my face, just so that it gives an effortless blend at the end of the day. And then going in with my beauty blender, of course, to blend out the concealer and just make everything sit really nice. I like to blend the concealer under my eyes last, just to give it a little more time to set and sit properly on my skin. Going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, I'm just going to set the highlighted areas of my face. I'm not baking, I'm just going to like take the powder and let that sink into my skin, just so that the concealer is properly set on my face. Going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, I'm going to just dust that all over my face, just to further blend out every part of my face, basically. So going in with my Maybelline cacao powder, I'm using this as my contour powder. I'm just using that to give my face a little more structure. Going in with my blush, I think this is the Clinique blush if I'm not mistaken, and I'm just putting that on my cheeks. Using my Revolution highlighter, I'm going to be highlighting the high points of my face and just give myself that holiday glow. Now going in with this green shade that I used earlier, that I just showed you, I'm going to use that to smudge out the lower part of my eyes, just so that there's a beautiful gradient from the top to the bottom. Before I started this makeup, I applied some lip balm on my lips just to moisturize my lips before I put any lipstick on. So I'm using my wipes here to clean it off, and then going in with my brown pencil, lining my lips, and then going in with my black pencil. I'm also using that to further deepen that brown color. And then using my Eye Magic Flash palette, I'm using this peach color here, and I'm just applying that at the center of my lips. Smack your lips, blend it in, make sure that it looks really seamless. Now that I'm done, I'm going in with that brown shade that I just showed you just to line my lips and cover up a bit of the black shade that I have going on. And like guys, I just use a bunch of colors here to get the desired color that I actually want. Going in with this white color, I'm applying that at the center of my lips just to give it a little more highlight. And with my Fenty gloss, I'm applying that all over my lips. Of course, it's the holiday season, let's gloss things up. And of course, to finish the look, I'm using my Makeup Revolution setting spray and spraying that all over my face. And this is what we have, guys. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful holiday. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Jesus loves you. Bye.